Today is Friday, so happy Friday, y'all. Yeah, so it's raining, as you can see outside, and it's a Friday, a big Friday rain and fall, but that's okay. We don't have any plans tonight. Like I said, it's Chris Brown weekend, and there's events keeping tonight, tomorrow, leading up all to the big concert, which is on a Sunday. I'm only going to the Sunday concert. I'm not interested in the other events. They do look fun though, and I figured Chris Brown will be at those events, but nah, I'm just gonna wait till the big concert on Sunday. I am so ready. Outfit ready, hair not ready, nails not ready. I'm trying. I've been soaking off this hand for a couple days now, so it's all completed, thank God. Now I have this hand left, so yeah, we gonna soak off and start out with nailing tomorrow. I'm gonna turn off this Wi-Fi, I know it's making noise, but yeah, so that's what we have going on in Jamaica on a Friday. Raining. So I picked up, well, I'm just coming from Popeyes, so I bought my salad. Homegirl is on a, you know, healthy eating journey, so yeah, so I bought my salad, started eating it in the car because I'm super hungry. I'm on Macho Road. Wait, something drop out or something? Anyways, there is so much traffic on the road, it's unbelievable. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna head home, shower, eat. I'm gonna heat the hold on, I'm getting a call. You see, this is why I'm gonna need two devices. Hold on. Yeah, so I got a call. Yeah, so what I was saying, go on a little Honda. Yeah, so what would I say? I don't even remember what I was saying, but oh yeah, my salad, they're supposed to know. I normally get the crispy chicken heated in the salad, and this shit was cold as hell. So when we get home, I gotta take out the chicken and heat it so I can have like warm chicken with my cold ass salad, you know. Yeah, but I think I have so much stuff to do. Oh, my auntie not call me. I'm supposed to meet her today though. Not understand, so she should come town, like she should reach town like 4 o'clock. I don't hear she call me. She probably come on WhatsApp, and I don't have no service. You know what? When I reach home, I'm gonna quickly call her to find out if she's still coming town or is in town. What's Chris Brown on billboard? It's like super. Jamaica is super excited about Chris Brown. Like, I mean, he is huge. Okay, he's a celebrity. He is referred to as, you know, Michael Jackson, you know, so he's a big deal. He's a big deal. And I saw a lot of videos last night. He was at a club, that so an event that keeps every Thursday at a club, so he was there. So I'm, you know, I'm pretty pumped about seeing his performance and stuff, so I hope it's like perfect. It starts at what, 4 o'clock, and oh my god, look at that sun. Wow, I'm gonna, that is so gorgeous. It's such a setting that you should be able to see like down that side. That is gorgeous. See it over there, so pretty. By the way, I finally ordered another car mount phone holder for my phone, so hopefully that one is sturdy. I think I ordered the 3-in-1, so it can come on the windshield, the air vents, and on the top of the dashboard. So that is perfect for me. I hope it works great. Yeah, like Mr. Chris Brown, we are like super excited. I am super excited to see him. I am not a Chris Brown fan, okay, but I mean, he is pretty huge and I love some of his songs. Don't know all of them, so when him start sing something I'm gonna know, I'm just gonna be like, you know, cheering and all that. Alright, but we gonna head home. The girl is tired, okay? We tired. Damn, the sun gone from where I'm coming from now. I can't see it anymore. That sucks. Don't know what to do. Say to me. You see, you know what? This is like a huge song. We need to go home and YouTube the lyrics, because I don't know what to do. Why him say speak to me? Like I have no idea what the man say. I'ma need to figure it out. I need to know at least a few songs to, like, you know, don't be singing crap, even though that's what I'm known for. Wow. The taxi man just came right through the four-way, which is normal for these people. I don't know what to do. Speak to me. Hey, hey. Anyways. So I've been on the road for a while, in a little bit of traffic, but I have a few errands to run. I already did one of my errands already. I picked up some packages, so now I need to, like, I'm heading to the bus station, I should say, not for the express. That's a bus station in Jamaica that does courier. You can, like, you know, ship packages island-wide. So I'm gonna go to them, drop off these packages, and ship it out of town. And then today is my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, mommy. She's at a hotel, homegirl hut, and they're at a hotel. Hold on, I'm driving and this thing is gonna shake, so I'll be back. But it doesn't look that bad. It's not shaking that bad. But by the way, I ordered another one on Amazon, so I'm just gonna pull over so I can finish talking, because we're not gonna have no shaky video here. Oh, so what was I saying? So yeah, it's my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, mommy. I'm gonna head after the bus station. I need to get her gift. I'm gonna buy her a Pandora bracelet. I think I had vlogged Mother's Day. I had gotten a Pandora set, a chain and an earring, so I figured why not get the bracelets, you know, she should have a full Pandora set. Mom has Pandora, and by the way, I don't have no Pandora, nothing for Pandora, so go mommy. Yeah, so I'm gonna get her a bracelet. If I see anything, I wanted a chain as well, but I'm not sure. I guess when I go there I see the prices and see, you know, if the price makes sense for me at the moment. But anyways, yeah, get her that, and then I need to get another birthday gift. So I need to buy a perfume. I don't know what kind of perfume to buy. I'm not that type of perfume person, nor do I know like the best brand and stuff. So I'm gonna call my friend to find out, like, you know, what is best, which brand to buy, and all of that nonsense. What else? I think that's all that I have to do today, and just relax for the rest of the day. But yeah, oh, mommy, she is at a hotel spending her birthday. She's at Grand Bahia Luxury. I've been to Bahia before, but I haven't been to the luxury side. The luxury side is adults only, so I know she's having a ball. She told me that rain is falling this morning. Same thing in Kingston, so I'm not sure what's happening. Probably it's an island-wide thing, because I know like rain probably falling down in Mandeville or something like that too. So yeah, but yeah, she's having a grand old time, so happy birthday to her. So yeah, let's just head to my errands right now. My circle of grounds and never stuck a throat like fishbone. More than them, badness well known. They must be too cheap like. I got her bracelet. It's cute, I like it, and it was very affordable too. It was what, $75 USD. So yeah, it's cute. Wow, it is so hot outside, like it's ridiculous, and I don't know what's going on with me and this wig, and I knew outside is hot, but yeah, I want to be a hot girl, you know. Yeah. Whew. Anyways, we are done. Oh, and I'm just need to go to one other place to get the birthday gift, and then that would be all for today. I know him. May I get licked down, sir? Get a fee for a patty, but to stop right now and get a patty is not gonna work. And one patty now go for my belly. Oh, ow. Yeah, one patty is definitely not going to work for me. Guys, I'm not liking this wig. Let us talk about the wig first. I am not liking it, so I'm doubt I'm gonna wear it again. I was wearing it to see how I like it for the day, but yeah, this needs to It's not my type of style. And I had planned to probably wear it to Chris Brown, but it's not giving. I don't know. Tomorrow I'll see how it go again. But yeah, for now, it is not giving at all. At all. The girls don't like it. Anyways, I haven't ate anything from morning. It's 1:15 in the afternoon. I'm thinking to go home and cook. I have some mac and cheese. I'm feeling for mac and cheese, but I'm also feeling for patty. So I think I'm gonna stick to the mac and cheese, and then tomorrow I'm gonna just cook some shrimp and rice. That will be for my dinner, because I'm not going anywhere today as well. It's just inside weekend until I'm heading out for Chris Brown tomorrow. And I need to put my outfit together as well. You know, I would totally drink a smoothie, but I already passed my friend's place. I just saw somebody with a smoothie a while ago and just thought about it. Darn it. Alright, let's go get this perfume right now.
Yeah.
Me alone can make you la 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 la. The traffic is so bad. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I hate being on the road at this hour. Oh my word. So all the traffic going through that plaza. Yeah, I'm just gonna make the left here. That's great. Oh, if I knew this, I wouldn't have drove this way. Y'all, I've decided to go home. I'm like super tired, and I just came out of the traffic, and based on where I'm going, I'm literally gonna go back into the traffic. So I'm like over it. The gift can be bought another day. I'll need it for like next weekend, I think. So yeah, it's not something I need immediately. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home and just relax for the rest of the day. I'm gonna cook me some mac and cheese and some sausage, sip me some juice, and watch some Love and Hip Hop, because I haven't watched it. And I need to watch Real Housewives, catch up with that, because reunion is soon. So I need to catch up on all of them, like show them. Plus school is starting back, so I need to just, yeah, the look of free time I have, 1 more week left till school, but I just need to try to watch off all of them, show them. So that's the vibe that we have for this weekend. Whew, I'm tired.
You be like, baby, yes, I know you care.
So we're in the shuttle, just waiting for it to open, and then we're on to the concert. We have designated parking for certain sections. So yeah, so we're just here waiting for the bus, so we can go and see Chris Brown. Can't see me, but I'm on my way back to the car, to the parking lot, to get my chairs. We were told initially there are no chairs allowed, and when I walked in, like almost everybody had a chair, so I begged a little. So I just go by the car to just pick up the chairs. Yeah, because I need to sit down, guys. I'm in VIP and the view makes no sense. I was so upset today, but I calmed down because I got my chairs. It's no entry, it's no re-entry, but I kind of beg and plead with the persons at the front. Yes, yes sir. Positive. I just coming back from there. Huh? No, I'm sure. That's where I'm coming from. Yeah, so police guy asking me if those are chairs. Anyways, back in the bus.
Hey, girl. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though?
On the count of 3, we are gonna call out a girl from Japan. Yeah. Let's count in Japanese. 1, 2, 3.
broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you around with? I don't care. Anytime you're ready, girl.
Right? That's something everyone come and tell time. Let me see your lighters. Your 7-foot. Kingston, Jamaica. Oh.
Somebody say your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl.
Make some noise right now, one voice and another voice. Work. Look what the fight is still that was so perfect. Oh, now the mercy, every mercy. Take a work. Take a work.
Your addiction, you did the ultimate thing. I can see it. Your addiction under the influence.
First of all, I left the chairs in the car because I didn't know that we could have bring it in. I was told that I can't bring in any chairs, right? So I left it at the parking spot. The parking spot is designated parking spots that we had, and then we had a shuttle that took us from the parking spot to the venue. So, okay, y'all, so I'm home. it is what, after 2 o'clock, and I'm just getting home. But first of all, I didn't even know it was so late. I think Chris Brown came on around after 12, after midnight, and we were told that the event should end at midnight, and I think he came around that time or after. I wasn't even watching the time. So I'm like super shocked that it's so late and I'm getting home after 2 a.m. on a Sunday night. But his performance was great. Chris Brown is so delicioso. Yeah, there's just a few issues with the layout of the section that I stayed in. So the section that I'm staying in is VIP. It's the lowest VIP section, right? And the layout is just poor, to be honest. And nobody in the section really had like we had upstruck tents and all of that in front of us, so we really did not get like a full view of the main stage. And the main stage was so low, like it wasn't even elevated a little so we could have possibly, you know, see it better. And then the partitions were so high as well. There were just a lot of issues with how they set up the venue, and you know what, I'm just sad about it. I basically watched Chris Brown on a small screen, let's just put it that way. But overall, his performance was good. Overall, the event was good. No chaos, no long lines, and maybe because I went early. But yeah, you know, event was good, but it's just a lot of issues that is just disappointing to say. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this event. Really, nothing thing there. The shuttle buses were perfect. We had police escort to and from, so that was great. So they get 10 out of 10 for that, the shuttle service. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see you in another weekly vlog. Bye bye.